Hi, today we are going to discuss about foreign currency valuation in S4 HANA system. So when we run the foreign currency valuation, the open items and balances in foreign currency are converted into local currency based on the current exchange rate. So assume that we do have an exchange rate on 0102 2020 80 and on 2002 2020 is 82. When we post an invoice on 0102 2020, system is considering the exchange rate is 80. And when we run the foreign currency valuation on 2902 2020, system is taking the current exchange rate and comparing with the invoice exchange rate. The difference between these two is going to post to unrealized gain or loss. So when we do the foreign currency valuation, system is updating unrealized gain or loss, which is not actual. Okay, so when we do the payment in foreign currency invoice for the foreign currency invoices, so that time it is going to update realized gain or loss. In S4 HANA system, we do have an option like a simulation run. That is one of the new feature which has been added. So to do simulation run, we need simulation ledger in S4 HANA system. Now we will see the configuration of simulation ledger and how it is going to function in foreign currency valuation when we perform the transaction code. And in S4 HANA, we do have a new transaction code for the foreign currency valuation, that is FAGL underscore FCV. So this is the new transaction code which has been introduced in S4 HANA system. Now let me take you into the configuration. So now I'm going to do SPRO, financial accounting global settings, ledger, define settings for ledgers and currency types. Continue. And here this is the simulation ledger which is created. Here the ledger type we have to select as A, extension ledger, and here extension ledger type is ES, which indicates simulation. This simulation ledger is used in the foreign currency valuation. Okay, and when I go to in details of the simulation ledger, here we can see the posting period variant. This posting period variant can be different from the normal posting period variant. The fiscal year variant which we are assigning to the company code is the same we have to use for the simulation ledger. There is no option to change the fiscal year variant for simulation ledger. Now take an example. So now let me post one invoice FB60. So I'm going to consider one, change the company code, and this is the vendor. I'm going to take 0102 2020 and posting date is 0102 2020, and here I have taken 100 and the currency is USD. So I am posting one foreign currency transaction which is invoice and cost center. Continue, and here we can see the local currency. What is the currency rate it has considered? Here it is 80. Currency rate is 80. So I am posting this transaction. Continue. Now let us do the foreign currency valuation. FAGL underscore FCV is the new transaction code which has been introduced in S4 HANA. Company code, here we have to give all the details, company code and the date 29/02/2020 and the valuation area. So here we have different posting modes. One is testing mode, simulation run and update run. When we do test run, system is not updating any data in the database table. Okay, it is just for checking the errors. If any errors or any issues we are having while running the foreign currency valuation. So here I am selecting the vendor. So this is the vendor which I have been posted. Now go to postings. When I do test run, if I execute, okay, so this is the result which we can see, and here two postings we can. One is foreign currency valuation, another one is reversal postings. Now go back and back. So this is the one of the additional feature which we can see in S4 HANA system, simulation run. To do simulation run, we need simulation ledger. We have created simulation ledger SL. This is one of the simulation ledger we have created. So how it is going to work? Now the result of this valuation are posted to the specific simulation ledger. When we do simulation run by using the simulation ledger, it is going to update in the database. So where it is going to update? This is going to update in AC Docker table. in AC Docker table, the simulation run result is going to update with the document number. The document number is starting with S. Okay. When I run simulation run in the foreign currency valuation by giving the simulation ledger, it is going to update in database table. So that is in AC Docker table, it is updating with document number starting with S. Okay. And in another table, so this is another table where it is going to update the result of simulation run. These two tables are going to update after simulation run of foreign currency valuation by using simulation ledger. Now let me do this one. So I am doing the simulation run, execute. Okay, here we can see postings, and the major thing we have to remember is only foreign currency valuation results are updating in the AC Docker table and the another table. Now let me see these two tables, how the data is going to update. So now I am going to see the tables. This is the table and T001 is the company code. Our ledger is SL, simulation ledger. Or else without giving any ledger, if you see number of entries, there are 2 entries posted and execute. Okay, so this is the entry which has been posted. Okay, now go to another table. As I said that SE16N AC Docker, this is another AC Docker table. So this is another table where it is going to update. T001 simulation ledger and execute. Okay, in this table, the result of foreign currency valuation in simulation run is going to update with the document number S. Okay, okay, here we can see that. Now go back. Again go back. If I want to perform the simulation run for the same document number, here if you see the document number 1919 ending with 18. If you want to perform the simulation run for the same invoices, then you have to select this delete existing simulation data. If you select and execute here AC Docker table, this document number is deleting and updating with the new document number. So the next series is S0009. So let me take you that. I'm going back, execute and continue. So here if you see AC Docker table, so now if I refresh, this document number is deleting and updating with the new document number, that is S0009. Refresh and here you can see the document number which has been updated with 9. Okay, so the major differences in foreign currency valuation S4HANA system is we do have a simulation run. When we do simulation run by using this simulation run ledger, system is going to update data in this table and in AC Docker also. And how to see the simulation run results? So this is the transaction code we can use for the displaying the simulation run results. So now I am going to the transaction code GD22. This is the transaction code, and here what we have to do, we have to give the invoice document number which has been posted. So what is our invoice document number? Here we can see this is the document number which we have posted 18. So here you can give 18 and ledger is SL and execute. So here we can see the result of simulation run by foreign currency valuation. So in S4HANA system, when we do simulation run, it is going to update in 2 tables and we do have a separate transaction code to see the result GD22. If you want to run the simulation run for the same document number, then we have to select this delete existing simulation data, then it is going to update with the new document number in the AC Docker table. Okay. Now if I go to update run, now I am going to do update run. When I select update run and execute, what system is going to do? System is going to delete the simulation run results from AC Docker table and another table. From these 2 tables, system is going to delete the data. Once if I run foreign currency valuation by selecting update run. Okay, now execute this. Now you can see 2 postings. Okay, one is foreign currency valuation, another one is reversal postings. Okay, now let me go back. If I go this table and refresh, we cannot see the result. Results are deleting from this table because we have run the update run. Now go to AC Docker table. If I refresh, again document number is deleting from this table. We cannot see any simulation run results in these 2 tables once we select update run and execute the foreign currency valuation. So that is the major thing, and the major changes between ECC and S4HANA, and the rest of the details are same, because in ECC also we do have open item selections, ledgers and GL accounts, even delta postings also we do have an option. So apart from that, apart from simulation ledger settings, the other configuration and postings are same. And coming to the configuration, there is a change. Let me show you that. In the foreign currency valuation and periodic posting, evaluate foreign currency valuation. So this is one of the configuration setting which is added in the S4HANA. Activate additional fields for foreign currency valuation, and here this one, foreign currency valuation assignment of ECS environment, error correction system environment. So these are the two additional configuration settings we can see in S4HANA system when we are comparing with ECC. So the major thing is simulation run. That is the only one additional change in the foreign currency valuation in S4HANA. Rest of the changes are same. So there is no change.